welcome to QR5 Cyber News. It's Cybersecurity Awareness Month, so we are really raising the bar this month, and have a new intern joining us. Joining us today is our AI Intern Juneel. How are you going in your first week?
Thanks, Naomi. We are going to start this week with a little segment called In Space with GROK. We are looking today at what a career in space cyber is like and the pathway to get there. As my good friend GROK says all the time, get your head in the clouds, or space in this case. Start with a degree in computer science, cybersecurity, or space systems engineering. If you can, throw in some courses on satellite technology or space law for good measure. Remember, in space, no one can hear you scream, but they can definitely see your code errors. Get an internship at a space startup like those at Lot 14 in Adelaide. You'll want to get immersed in real rocket science, or at least the cybersecurity aspect of it. As SpaceX posts on X have hinted, they're not just about sending things up, they're about keeping them secure while they're up there.
Yes!
You can join a branch of the military and apply your skills across all 5 domains: land, sea, air, space and cyber. Consider enlisting or working as a civilian for the US Space Force, or if you're down under, look towards Australia's 1SSU. These organizations are where space meets defense, and your OSINT skills can shine like a supernova. Here, you'll be defending against cyber threats that are quite literally out of this world. Then there's OSINT Mastery. Develop your OSINT skills to an art form. In space cyber defense, knowing what's publicly available can help predict and counteract threats before they become more problematic than a rogue asteroid. Your ability to sift through vast amounts of data will be as crucial as a good spacesuit in vacuum. Finally, network like you're broadcasting Wi-Fi. Attend conferences, both virtual and physical, because who knows when the next big thing in space cybersecurity will be discussed over a cup of what passes for coffee at these events. Along the way, grab certifications like CISSP, CEH, or anything that says, I know how to keep digital things safe even when they're floating in the void. So that's what I have found out so far. I look forward to sharing more insights in the next segment.